This is just gonna be my Monday load. 3 generators. It's had 4 on each corner except the middle one. I only have 3 binders. Something simple. Delivered this Monday morning. I add this to the back side of this load we took to Atlanta. That Atlanta stuff was crazy, and F that. But let's get down this road, man, see if we can make it as close as we can to Jacksonville. Oh yeah, look guys, got a surprise, man. Look what we got. A new addition for the bros. Let's go, got us another RGN. Look at that proud owner of a new RGN, man. Oh yeah, so got to do a little work on this one right here, but hey, it's added to the inventory. We got the basic down on it. So right now we're gonna, that's the K-WAP over there. We're gonna drop this RGN here because this is where we park our K-WAP. Back this K-WAP over here in front of our new RGN, and then change the oil on this red and white Peterbilt, and then next week we'll do mine. He's going back to K-WAP. Let's see. Tell him to hit the pipes one good time. What a fun time, because it's a good sounding truck. For sale. Anybody want to become an owner operator? Me and bro got too many trucks. So we got way too many trucks. This old 2000, or it's either a 99, 2000, 2001. I'm not sure. And 14 Cummins. But let's get this backed up. Hey, you want to move that fairing onto the trailer? We're gonna move this fairing onto the top there. You want to move it onto the trailer? Yeah. All right. Well, good morning. Good morning, guys. Stopped and got the truck washed. And for a blue beacon, oh man, they tore up one of my lug nuts. I like that. Oh man. For a blue beacon is not bad, right? Not bad at all. But we're here at United Rentals here in Jacksonville off of Mining Road. These are there's a truck in there right now. He's unloading, and then once he pulls out, I'll go back in there and do my thing. But right now, while I'm out here, I'm gonna take some chains off and these straps. They called me while I got down the road, and they wanted me to throw a strap over the back of the machines with the tongues, the ones with the tongues faced forward, because there's a door up there, and if the wind catches the door, it flings the door open. So they wanted me to secure that. It's not snug, it's not too tight, it's just a little snug. Put some edge protector because I didn't want to mess up the paint. They said don't worry about it, but I'm not gonna get charged for no paint. So yeah, take some of these chains off, and we'll get this unloaded. We gotta head to Brunswick to get a telehandler after this. Oh man, that's badass. Look at the skyline. Oh man, I've never seen an old skyline. Is that a R30, R33? That's pretty badass. And I'm waiting for that guy over there to get finished, and then I'll pull up over there. And we're going to Claxton, so it's gonna be an easy run. I'm not sure if I still got that telehandler. Might load that after this, so we'll see. But I'm about to pull up, wait for this guy to finish, and we can get the loading. But this is from Jacksonville to Hunter. No, Jacksonville to Claxton. Nothing major. crazy. That's the one I videoed on my phone, and it passes me right on there. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Guys, I spent all my money. Spent all my money. Not all my money. Spent $50 to wash my truck this morning, and it's raining. I went to the Blue Beacon, and they said there was nobody in line, so I was like, "Oh, let me go get my truck washed." It's about 7 o'clock this morning. Oh, it's ain't nobody in line. I can just get in there. This is the reason right here. So $50. Look, when I tell y'all guys, I wouldn't say pissed off, but I'm disappointed in myself. Because usually when I get my truck washed, I look at the weather. So we picked up in Jacksonville, and I start headed back into Georgia. I'm looking at the sky, I'm like, it's about to rain. No wonder nobody was in line at the Blue Beacon. They did a good job, I ain't gonna lie. But got it washed this morning. It's raining. It rained all day today, and it just stopped raining once I parked. But I'm supposed to pick up this telehandler in Brunswick. It's 4 o'clock. They're not loading right now, so I'm here at the TA in Brunswick, Georgia, maybe 3, 4, 5 miles away from where I got to pick up at. And I just pick it up in the morning. I'm kind of tired. I didn't watch the Super Bowl. I'm not really big into football anymore. It's just not. It kind of sucks now. But yeah, we'll see what tomorrow has. I think this Jacksonville loading one, and then the Fort Myers trip. I'm gonna just make that into one video, so it'll be a 2-load video. And the previous video is gonna be a 2-load video too. That will be the oversized load. No, that would be the Skytrack, not the Skytrack. The boom lift I picked up and delivered to Atlanta, and then the generators I delivered this morning. Did I record them generator? Yeah. So it won't be much. I'll see how it works. I need to start recording more, so we'll see. But I'll catch y'all in the morning. I got these ribs. I got these ribs back here I'm about to destroy and get in the bed. So I'll see y'all in the morning.